Welcome to our virtual demonstration of the newly released RMGT 970 Perfecting Press. Today we'll take you to the RMGT manufacturing plant in Fukuyama, Japan to watch a live press run. Before we go, let's take a sneak peek at what makes the new RMGT 970 press such a great investment for your business. As we take you to the RMGT manufacturing plant in Fukuyama, Japan, the president of RMGT, Katsushi Hirakawa, would like to warmly welcome you to a demonstration of the RMGT 970 Long Perfector. It's my pleasure to introduce Chris Manley from Grafco and Kyan Hemmen from Print and Finishing Solutions, who will guide us through today's virtual demonstration.
Thanks for kicking things off for us, Kate. RMGT has consistently shown the 9 Series offset press running live in our Commit to Print booth, and we plan to debut the new 970 in Atlanta this year. But today's virtual demonstration will showcase the latest enhancements in our market-leading 9 Series press.
The key features of today's presentation will show how RMGT provides our customers with offset quality and digital quantities.
You will see the RMGT 970 Long Perfector complete a 4/4 make-ready, print 250 color-controlled 8-up sheets that are LED UV cured and ready to move directly into bindery, all with just one press operator and in under 4 minutes.
Now for those keeping score at home, a short run of 250 two-sided 8-up sheets is equivalent to 1,000 12x18 sheets or 2,000 clicks on a copier. As we will see, the tipping point between offset and digital continue to drop.
So we're going to pick up the action in Japan. The 970 is now perfecting job number 1 at 15,000 sheets per hour. And while it finishes, our pressman starts preloading the plates for the next job.
So when this first short run print job ends, we will start a timer to indicate the beginning of the make ready for job 2. The timer will stop when we get to color, and then we will print 250 sheets. This greatly reduced make ready is enabled by our new automated Smart Assist printing, or ASAP, technology.
With ASAP, the entire printing process, from ink key presetting, blanket cleaning, plate changing, test printing, and register and density adjustment to industry standards, is automatically performed through one-touch operation on the display screen.
ASAP is enabled by high-resolution CCD cameras that monitor and control color, registration, and full sheet inspection in real time. When registration and density meet industry standards, the 970 starts production printing at 15,000 sheets per hour. As we will see, ASAP reduces make-ready time to under 4 minutes with only one pressman.
Our lightning-fast make-ready process is just the beginning. LED curing speeds jobs of any run length quickly through your workflow, while opening opportunities for specialty finishes and high markup substrates that enhance your customers' jobs and your profit margins as well. Instant curing, zero dot gain, no VOCs, and fearlessly pounding the ink to an uncoated sheet are just some of the reasons thousands of printers worldwide have invested in LED-equipped presses from RMGT since 2008.
As you can hear by the chimes, we've completed job number 1, and RMGT's new ASAP system is now processing job number 2. We've started a timer to track our progress. A key feature of ASAP is our full sheet inspection system, and we have Dean Taylor of Taylor Graphics here to explain how adding the ASAP inspection system to his second RMGT 9 Series has impacted his business.
And we are a ISO compliant company. So with that, we were running a lot of books that have to be 0 defects. So within that, we were inspecting books after they were all produced. With the new RMGT press with a DAC camera system, it actually takes a picture of every sheet and compares it to the proof. It picks up whether the density of color is off. It'll pick up if it's missing any type, if we had a smashed blanket, any hickeys. It picks up anything that's different than our original sheet. So every sheet going through the press gets a number on it. And so once a press run is done, we print out a report and it shows every number of the sheet that was rejected. So in finishing, we can pull out those sheets before it ever hits a folder or any other piece of equipment. So that has eliminated the need for inspection after everything's done.
Thanks, Dean. ASAP also automatically controls registration and color, so even a single pressman can focus on high production or a nice cup of coffee, while ASAP does the rest.
One of the other keys to ASAP's shorten make-ready is our simulplate system with benderless plate clamps. As you can see, the pressman simply preloads the plates and simulplate does the rest. As we approach 100 9 Series press installations here in North America, we know that 75% of them are running efficiently with only one pressman. 89% of our long perfectors run solo, and all of these companies are putting an additional $40,000 to $60,000 per shift to their bottom lines. We've asked John Dahlke from Visographic to share how adding a 9 Series to his all RMGT plant has impacted their operation.
In 2017, we bought the 10 Series 40-inch press. This year we bought the 9 Series platform, and we couldn't be happier, and we're pleasantly surprised at how well and how easy it is to run with one pressman. From the delivery to the feeder, the footprint is small enough, the press is manageable, and we're still running at full rated capacity that we do on our 10 Series press. Probably paramount for us, especially during the period of COVID, is to be able to run this machine with one operator. So our labor is reduced dramatically. When we're running the 40-inch press, we typically have a pressman and a feeder, or two pressmen. So when we run the 9 Series press, it's very easy to run with one man. So we could still do our 16-page signature work with one pressman, so our labor reduction is about 40%. And that really hit home on the 9 Series platform. First is the purchase price. So when you're talking a large capital investment, something that's 30% cheaper, that's a six-figure number. So that really was a good incentive. And being a 40-inch shop, still being able to run a 25, 36-inch press sheet, it allows us to run probably about 75% of our work. So the purchase price of that machine, that we could still run a 25, 30-inch press sheet, that we could still run at full speed, made a lot of sense.
The timer has stopped, and the green light shows that ASAP has approved and released the job into production. The press will now print 250 sheets before automatically moving on to job 3 without any pressman intervention. Rather than pushing to stop, RMGT keeps on printing.
RMGT invented the super efficient 8-up press market with the release of the 9 Series back in 2008. Our customers have enjoyed an unfair advantage ever since, and the new 970 now offers a roomier 25 by 38 inch size to produce 9 by 12 booklets and allow access to a wider variety of cover weight stocks. The 9 Series unfair advantage gets bigger and better with the 970.
RMGT's corporate motto is assisting your potential, and your solo pressman can rest easy knowing that his ASAP system has his back on every press run.
We just did a complete make-ready and perfected 250 color-controlled 9 by 12 16-page signatures that are LED cured and ready for finishing in less than 5 minutes. Thanks to our pressmen for showing us how easy printing can be with RMGT and ASAP.
So let's wrap up on what we learned during today's virtual demonstration. Our new 970 confirms RMGT's commitment to assisting your potential. And the new ASAP system brings a whole new level of affordable automation to our customers' press rooms. Making ready in 4 minutes is really just the beginning. ASAP now quality controls every sheet being produced, so a single pressman can confidently run at full press speeds without worrying about quality. When you add in RMGT's legendary durability and reliability to that equation, you can see why our customers enjoy an unfair advantage in every marketplace.
Thank you for allowing us the opportunity to show you what we are so proud of. RMGT continues to push the envelope with automation and quality control. 9 Series users have been printing profitably for years, and what the new 970 means with the larger 8-up plus sheet size, higher printing speeds, and faster automation is even more profit to your bottom line. We hope that our presentation will allow you to imagine what an RMGT can do for your business.
Thank you, Chris and Cayenne, for a fantastic presentation. Today, we've just skimmed the surface of the new RMGT 970 press. Starting this month, we'll be conducting a series of lunch and learn programs to provide a more in-depth discussion of leveraging the strengths of offset printing in your print production. We would be happy to conduct an in-person or virtual lunch and learn program at your facility. On behalf of RMGT North America, we wish to thank you very much for your kind attention to our virtual demo today.